Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to locally transfer Steam games from one PC to another. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, keep in mind you do need to be on the same network, and you also need to have enabled some settings that I'll show you later. Now, if I press install on, let's say, Counter-Strike 2 right here, you can see I only have this on my local drive. But if you go to the search button and type in share, find manager advanced sharing settings, open it up, and here, make sure both options are turned on. Then save the settings and press X from your other device. You're going to do the same on your other PC. When you press install, if you're on the same network and have turned that on for both PCs, you will have the option to download it to the local drive or the external drive, and then it will be on the other PC. So that's basically how you can do it on Steam. Remember, you need to be on the same network and you need to enable sharing on both PCs. So that's basically how you can locally transfer Steam games from one PC to another. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.